Hi, I'm Chrissy, and today I'm here with tCheck to teach you how to repot some plants. My tomatoes, bell peppers, and jalapenos are crying for some bigger pots, so I'd love for you to follow along in order to show you how I do that. But the reason I'm partnering with tCheck is because all of these plants eventually will be turned into some delicious infused salsa, and I'd love to know the dosage of it, so if you're interested, follow along and let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is getting my potting soil a little bit damp so that I can start putting my plants into my pots. For my tomatoes, I'll be putting them in 5-gallon pots, and then for my jalapenos and bell peppers, I'll be putting them into 3-gallon pots. I recommend getting a soil that is going to have a sufficient amount of nutrients in order for the plant to get started, but know that no matter what soil you get, you're going to have to supplement nutrients in order to continue getting fruit from these plants throughout their cycle. But let's get some soil wet. Luna. The soil's damp, it's not wet. That's the thing you want, because if it's wet, you're gonna have issues of potentially overwatering at first, right? So this is a good texture in order to pack the plant and then water it once we have the plant inside of it. Jalapenos. So now that I've mixed my soil, I'm going to begin placing it into my pot and then add my plant on top and then kind of sprinkle in some more soil to fill it throughout. Wow, wow, wow. Inside of a solo cup. They need a bigger home for sure right now. So now that I've repotted all the bell peppers and jalapenos, I think it's time for a quick break, but let's get started on the tomatoes as well. So now that I've taken a quick sesh break, I think it's time to start on these tomatoes, and these are definitely going to take a little bit longer because I have 5-gallon buckets instead of 3-gallon buckets like I had with the jalapenos and bell peppers, but I'm excited, so let's get started. I don't know how I feel about this. What a journey that was, and now I'm going to have an endless supply of red and yellow tomatoes as well as some jalapenos and bell peppers, which I'm super excited about and will definitely be turning into some infused salsa. So if you're interested in seeing what that looks like in order to test it out, to see what the dosage is, be sure to follow along, as well as if you're interested in getting your own tCheck, I'll go ahead and link that down below, but we'll see you next time.